To ensure your safety and comfort, it is important for us to acquaint you with the safety procedures of the Bell 206 and EC-130 aircraft. Food, drinks, and smoking are not permitted on the ramp, in the heliport area, or inside the aircraft. Portable electronic devices may not be used on board a helicopter at any time. When your flight is announced, a ramp attendant will personally escort you to your aircraft. Remove your headwear and keep a tight grip on any loose items. Follow the ramp attendant and do exactly as you are instructed. You will be assigned a seat by your ramp attendant according to the weight and balance requirements of the aircraft. At the rear of the helicopter is a spinning tail rotor, which can be difficult to see and is extremely dangerous when in operation. Once inside the helicopter, you will be wearing a standard airline safety belt, and depending on your seat assignment, you may be required to wear a safety harness. Remain in your assigned seat at all times and keep your seat belt securely fastened unless otherwise directed by the pilot. Inside the cabin, you will find a safety briefing card, note its location, and familiarize yourself with the safety procedures prior to takeoff. Airsick bags are available for your convenience. Should you need to use them, please close the top and give them to the ramp attendant when you depart the aircraft. Your aircraft is equipped with stereo headphones. The volume control knob is located either on the headset or the headset cord. There are 4 exit doors on the aircraft. 2 are located in the front and 2 are located in the rear. Note the location of the fire extinguisher in the cabin of your aircraft. Should it become necessary to use it, remove it from the mounting bracket, pull the safety pin, aim at the base of the fire, and squeeze the handle. A portion of your flight today is over water, requiring a PFD, or personal flotation device. In the unlikely event of an emergency water landing, your pilot will tell you to put on your PFD. Should you be required to wear a personal flotation device, fasten it around your waist. To open your PFD, take off your headset, remove the PFD from the pouch, and pull it over your head. Once outside the aircraft, pull down and out on the red tabs and the PFD will inflate. You can also inflate the PFD by blowing in the air tube. Do not inflate the PFD while inside the aircraft, as it may inhibit your ability to exit the aircraft quickly. Prior to an emergency landing on land or water, your pilot will alert you to assume the brace position. For the brace position in your particular aircraft, refer to your passenger briefing card. If you are flying in a Bell 206, please note these safety features specific to the Bell 206 aircraft. Please pay close attention as the operation of the safety belt is demonstrated. To fasten, insert the metal tabs into the latching mechanism. To release, lift the cover of the buckle and remove the metal tabs. In the Bell 206, to operate and exit the doors, simply lift up on the handle and push out. If your aircraft has Vista View windows, open the door by grasping the handle, pull up, and then push out on the door. Should the door come open in flight, there is no cause for alarm. Inform the pilot and he will assist you. In the Bell 206, a first aid kit is located in the baggage compartment should it be needed. To open the baggage compartment door, press the 2 small latch pins and the door will come open. In the Bell 206, the personal flotation devices are located in 3 locations. If you are seated in the front, next to the pilot, your PFD is mounted below the front window. If you're in an aft-facing seat, your PFD is located between the 2 seats. And if you are seated facing forward, in the rear of the aircraft, your PFD is located on the shelf behind you. If you are flying in an EC-130, please note these safety features specific to the EC-130 aircraft. Please pay close attention as the operation of the safety belt is demonstrated. In the EC-130, to fasten the seat belt, insert the metal tabs into the round latching mechanism. Be sure to fasten both your shoulder harnesses. Once secured, adjust and wear your belt low and tight. To release, turn the buckle and release the metal tabs. To open the front and rear doors, pull upright on the door-mounted handle. In an actual emergency, the two forward doors in an EC-130 can be jettisoned off of the aircraft. Please note the plastic tab that restricts the movement of the latch. Pull this tab back and move the latching mechanism upward. This will jettison the door from the aircraft. Only do this in a true emergency. In the EC-130, the personal flotation devices for the rear passengers are located attached to the bottom of the seat in front of them. For the passengers in the front, the PFDs are located attached to the front of the seats under their legs. Upon your return to the heliport, remain seated until the ramp attendant approaches the aircraft and opens the door. Remain by the aircraft and a ramp attendant will escort you back to the terminal area. Once your Grand Canyon adventure has been completed, you will re-enter the building and be able to view and purchase your souvenir photo. Thank you for your attention to the safety briefing.